In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted WhatsApp messages and chats. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you've accidentally deleted a chat and you want to get it back, recovery is the only possible option that you do have if you had that backup created before the chat was deleted. To do this, go ahead and open up WhatsApp and go to your settings. And what you're going to want to do is scroll down a little bit and you're going to see this little chats option on here. Go ahead and select this. And then if you scroll down a little bit further, you're going to see chat backup. Open that up and you'll see the date of your last backup. Just make sure that backup happened before the messages were deleted. Otherwise, this will not work. From here, what you're going to want to do is back out of WhatsApp and go ahead and find WhatsApp on your phone and just hold down on it and then remove or delete the app. Back out of here again and open up the App Store or Google Play Store and then search for WhatsApp and essentially just re-download it. And after getting it re-download, go ahead and open it back up and sign into the app with your phone number. When you see the option to restore from backup, simply tap restore and wait for that process to finish and your previous chats and messages should now appear again. That is it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them that in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.